Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to import your passwords into NordPass from any password manager. It's simple, secure, and a great step if you want to stay organized. First, go to the Nord website and log into your Nord account. This is where you manage all your services, including NordPass. Once you're on the dashboard, find the NordPass section and open it. If you haven't installed the app yet, download it from here. The desktop version makes the import process much easier. After installing the app, open NordPass and sign in. Next, open your current password manager and export your passwords. This option is usually called something like export or backup. Save the exported CSV file somewhere easy to find so you can access it again without any hassle. Now go back to NordPass. Open the Settings or Options menu, find the Import section, and choose to import from a CSV file. Then select the file you just saved. NordPass will guide you through mapping your data, including usernames, passwords, and websites. Take a moment to review everything and make sure it all looks correct before confirming. And that's it. Your passwords are now securely stored in NordPass and synced across your devices. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more beginner-friendly guides like this, feel free to subscribe.